What if I told you your home isn't really yours? Not haunted, just hijacked by three powerful forces you probably invited in yourself: IKEA, Amazon, and Wayfair. These brands didn't just change how we shop for furniture. They reprogrammed the spaces we live in and reshaped what home feels like from the inside out. Today, we are unpacking how they quietly restyled our homes and our idea of home itself. Stick around, because by the end you might be asking, whose home am I living in? Let's start with IKEA. It turns out building something yourself makes you like it even more. Psychologists call it the IKEA Effect. We know IKEA as the go-to for budget-friendly furniture and frozen meatballs. The company started in 1943 when 17-year-old Ingvar Kamprad began selling pens and picture frames by mail in Sweden. The real breakthrough came in the 1950s with flat-pack furniture, self-assembly kits designed to cut shipping costs. But IKEA wasn't the first to create flat-pack furniture. In fact, a whole century earlier, in 1859, German-Austrian cabinet maker Michael Tonet created the number 14 chair, a bent wood design that could be easily disassembled and reassembled with minimal tools. Then in 1956, IKEA's employee number 4 and designer Gilles Lundgren couldn't fit a table in his car. Can you guess his fix? Why not take off the legs? That moment was the spark that popularized packing and shipping furniture in flat packs. Remember when you put together an IKEA nightstand or stool for your first apartment? That feeling of pride, ownership, and independence. Take a quick look at IKEA stores, if you've ever walked through one. Their perfectly staged rooms and furniture sets make you go, what if, as you quietly reimagine your own bedroom. Then came Amazon. Jeff Bezos launched it in 1994 selling books, and now, well, you can buy basically everything on the platform, including a sofa you're probably sitting on right now. The name of the game: quick clicks and fast deliveries. Let's break down the clicks first. Amazon's recommendations are powered by algorithms, something called collaborative filtering. It sounds technical, but here's the gist. The first is user-based filtering. If you and I both buy the same desk and later I buy a lamp, you might get recommended that same lamp because Amazon sees us as having similar tastes. The second is item-based filtering. If lots of people who bought that desk also bought the same lamp, anyone shopping for the desk will start seeing the lamp pop up too. The third and final is content-based filtering. You get recommendations for desks that look similar, same color, same style, to what you've browsed or bought before. It feels personal, but it's really just patterns. Clever patterns that get you to click that add to cart button faster. And hey, speaking of algorithms working in the background, I'm kind of relying on them too. So if you're enjoying this breakdown, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. It helps push this video to more people who might like it too. Alright, let's get back to it. As for deliveries, we can all agree Prime is Amazon's genius. With it, you can get a bed set complete with mattress and frame to your doorstep, maybe as fast as your shampoo. Quick clicks and fast deliveries, these are the two pipelines that fit straight into our growing need for convenience. Amazon's 2024 revenue was about $637 billion, about the size of Belgium's GDP, the 23rd largest economy. Proof that frictionless shopping works. And finally, Wayfair. Founded in 2002 as CSN stores, rebranded in 2011 and quickly became a household name known for one thing: options. So many options. Wayfair offers millions of products, some of them organized into curated sub-brands. All modern if you're into minimalist vibes, just and made for a more traditional look, and Perigold if you want luxury. But they didn't stop at volume. Wayfair's tech is really sleek. Back in 2017, they introduced View in Room 3D, an augmented reality feature that lets you preview furniture in your space. Their latest tool is Decorify, which was launched in 2023, a generative AI tool that redesigns your room using your own photos. Here's how it works. Upload a picture, pick a design style, and voila! Your space reimagined and fully shoppable on Wayfair. It all feels personal and empowering, right? By 2024, Wayfair had 21.4 million active customers and nearly 12 billion in revenue. We've arrived where we started. Are you creating the home you love, or just settling for what's easiest to buy? IKEA gave us pride through hands-on creation, Amazon gave us speed through automation, and Wayfair gave us freedom through personalization. We rely on algorithms for design ideas, order with a few taps, and build the furniture ourselves. And at each step, we may have quietly lost a bit of the charm, messiness, and unmistakable uniqueness that makes a home truly ours. If this got you thinking about your couch, your bedroom, or your sense of home, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into how the brands we love think and shape how we feel. And maybe next time you shop for a chair, pause and ask yourself, is this really me or just what's showing up on my homepage?